What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favre. In today's video, guys, it's all about Terra Classic, which has pumped up in value. Not that much today, guys, just about 3% in value, making it 0.004658. So where is it heading to next? I've seen a lot of comments saying it's going to hit the 0.001 cents target over the coming weeks, or even coming days, and I've seen a lot of other comments saying it's going to hit the dollar mark and so on, but there's no point focusing on that. We have to focus on the 0.001 cent first. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be going through in today's video, guys, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low this crypto can go, and also looking at, is it really worth investing into Terra Classic? I know a lot of you guys have gained the trust again when it started to pump up over the last couple of weeks, including the last few days as well. So is it a project still worth investing into, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? I'm going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, guys. As you can see, the market is up just about 0.12%, nothing too crazy. And Terra Luna is up just about 3%. In the last hour, we can see it has dropped 2% in value. Over the week, a massive 81% up, guys. So it's had a good week this week. Major pumps here on Monday, little dip here on Tuesday, major peak Wednesday and Thursday, and ever since then it's had a slight dip in value. And over the month it is a massive 368% up, guys. So as you guys can clearly see, it all started in late August. It picked up in value very late August, pumped here, and as you can see, after every pump there is a little dip, and that's what's taking place here. So is it going to pump again over the coming days, or is it just going to fluctuate and then drop back down in value? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone down by 28% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.1 billion in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded. But the only reason why it went down is because, obviously, as you can see, it has taken a little dip, so more people are just holding on to it at the moment. They're not selling it, they're not buying it, they're just holding on to it to see where it's heading to next, and obviously make the decision depending on how this crypto performs over the coming days. So let's get straight into it, guys. On the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. We are looking at the hourly chart now, so I'm going to hide this for now and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the hourly chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Terra Classic at this value here. However, it is trading at slightly higher value, which is in green here, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and I'll move on to the 30-minute and hourly chart as well. But before I get into that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart, what can we see here, guys? The blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, looking a little bit bearish, meaning minimal drops in value are expected. And the orange line is once again also slanting towards the negative direction. Yes, I know it looks like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, we can see that both the lines are just about looking negative. So an overall drop in value is what is expected over the next 6-7 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, we should expect an overall minimal drop in value. I'm not saying it's going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. We are going to see green candles in between as well as red candles, but the overall outcome seems to be slightly more on the negative side. Now moving on to the 30-minute chart, next couple of hours, so over the next 12 to 14 hours, so early hours of tomorrow, we should expect, as you can see, we've got two lines going the opposite direction. The orange line is clearly looking bullish, going towards the positive direction. However, the blue line is slanting towards the negative direction once again, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should be expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. So yes, do expect it to be volatile, green candles, red candles, and so on. But at the moment, the overall outcome seems to be on the neutral side, so more or less fluctuating at the current price range. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, now we're looking much more positive, guys. We've got finally both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, going towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should be expecting it to trade at a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment, potentially above 0.005 is what my predictions are. But again, that doesn't mean we're going to be hitting green candles consistently over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days and green days, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side. So far so good for Terra Classic, guys. I have not gained my trust again into the crypto. I'm not investing any more into it. I did invest into it a couple of months ago, just before it crashed, or during the crash, thinking that it's going to go back up, but obviously it didn't. So I'm just holding on to what I've got at the moment, and I won't be investing any more into this crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale for the technical analysis. On the hourly chart, as you can see, we are still trading in the top tier level. Every time we do hit the resistance, we straight away peak back up in value. So I'm expecting us to drop back down to this level here and then peak back up in value, and potentially go above this highest value that we've had in the last couple of weeks, and break through this target over the coming days as well. So hopefully by the end of next week, we should be at a higher value. So regarding Terra Classic hitting the 0.001 cents, guys, it is possible, don't get me wrong. Over the next couple of weeks, maybe end of September, early October, we may be able to hit that, but we're gonna have to go for another 100% increase. Obviously it's done so much over the last 4 weeks, or even the last week itself is done 81%, and over the month is done 368%. So it does have the potential to hit the 0.001 cent target, I'll say, over the next 3 to 4 weeks. However, I'm expecting it to, on the long run, to drop back down, because I'm not expecting this crypto to resist, to be a sustainable project hitting the 1 cent, 10 cents target. I'm not expecting any of that, but again, it's all about the waiting game and see how it performs. But at the moment, I'm not expecting it to go that much in value even over the coming years. I'm not expecting it to go that high. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Terra Classic, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations are. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you, guys, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.